like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, innovators. Novation Hub has launched an all-in-one robotics kit that helps you innovate and create diverse projects that you have always wanted to. This is video number 10 in the series of projects you can create using this kit. In this tutorial, you will see how to make a table runner car using IR sensor, motors, and other mechanical parts along with the Novation brain. This project helps students understand the use of IR sensors and motors and their connection with the Novation brain, and also how to make a rover using the mechanical parts provided in the kit. Components required for making this project are Novation brain, chassis, IR sensor 1 in quantity, BO motor 2 in quantity, BO motor clamp, wheels 75 mm 2 in quantity, caster wheel, nuts and bolts, metal spacer, jumper wires male to female 12 in quantity. Let's start making the rover for table runner car. First, connect the motors on the chassis using the BO motor clamp. Then connect the caster wheel on the chassis. Now connect the wheels to the motors. Now connect the Novation brain on the chassis using the metal spacers provided in the kit. At last, connect the IR sensors on the chassis. Now the body of the rover is assembled. Let's start making the connections of the table runner car. First, connect the motor pins with the Novation brain. Connect the motor wires with the output ports provided on the board for motors. Connect the left motor with the left port and the right motor with the right port. Connect the IN1 of motor to digital pin number 12 of the Novation brain. Connect the IN2 of motor to digital pin number 11 of the Novation brain. Connect the IN3 of motor to digital pin number 5 of the Novation brain. Connect the IN4 of motor to digital pin number 3 of the Novation brain. Now connect the IR sensor with the brain. Connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor to the extra 5V pins provided on the Novation brain. Connect the ground of the IR sensor to the extra ground pins provided on the Novation brain. Connect the output pin of the IR sensor to digital pin number 9 of the Novation brain. The connection of the project is now complete. Now let's see how to write a program for the table runner car and upload it on the board. In this step, we define the logic pins of the Novation brain connected to the IR sensor and motors. We define whether the pins used are being used as input or output pins. The IR sensor is connected to digital pin number 9 and motors are connected to digital pin number 12, 11, 5 and 3 of the Novation brain. The pin used for the IR sensor is used as input pin. In this step, the logic of the code is defined, which is the code for the table runner car. Please note, the flowchart of the logic of the code is given below. Now upload the code of the table runner car on the board. Let's see the working of the table runner car. After programming the board, when we leave the robot over a surface or table, it starts moving and keeps on moving till the IR sensor is detecting the surface. As soon as the LEDs of the IR sensor cross the surface, it stops detecting anything, and thus the robot moves backward and then it turns left. Let's revise what we learnt from this video. We learnt how to use the IR sensor and the motors. We learnt how to connect the IR sensor and motors with the Novation brain. We also learnt how to make a table runner car using the Novation brain. Let's find out the applications of IR sensor and motors in our lives. IR sensors can be used for making automatic room light controllers. IR sensors can be used for making an intruder detector. These sensors can be used for making a smart parking system as well. These sensors, along with the motors, can be used for making a line following robot. Hope you have liked this tutorial. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.